Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you my filter called Eye Color Changer. This is an Instagram filter that allows you to change the color of your eyes. Now I've added many different colors and some patterns, and really nice, you can try it out, and I'll be adding more in the upcoming days as well. So if you want to see how you look with blue eyes, brown eyes, green eyes, you can try it out. The filter is available on my Instagram, and I'm going to link to it in the description of this video below so you can try it out. It's very simple. All you need to do is just launch the filter and continue tapping in order to circulate between the different colors. If you enjoy this filter, also don't forget to check out my other filters. I post many filters, Instagram filters on my Instagram account, so make sure you check them out, and don't forget to follow me so you can get notified when I release new filters. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. Bye everyone.